Third place is 36.45 for Victory Elite, Lily. Fourth place in Gina is Leah F. Fifth place in Gina is Gabriella. Sixth place in Motion, Janaya. Seventh place in Gina is Oriana. Eighth place in Gina is Leah P. Ninth place in Motion, Spira. 10th place in Gina is Isabella. 11th place in Gina is Emily. 12th in Gina is Melanie. 13th from Motion, Ava. 14th from Motion, Romy. 15th from Victory Elite, Victoria. 16th from Motion, Camila. Alright, let's push in towards the center a little bit. We might not be directly in front of your number, but we want to put all our friends up here. And these are your all-around champions, so salute.